Guys, my name is Nell and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're cooking Baba Ganoush. Baba Ganoush is a dish from the Middle East and it's a starter made mostly with eggplant. Comment down below how many times I say eggplant in the video. So for this recipe you'll need some tahini, garlic, salt, olive oil, some eggplant, one eggplant, small to medium, and a lemon. Let's get started. First things first, take your eggplant, get to your stove, switch it on, and pop it right on. Yeah, that worked the first time. So, your eggplant now is stabilized on the heater. You want to make sure that your heat is not too high so that we don't burn it completely right away. But we're going to eventually get it to a point where it's nice and soft and yummy. So while that's on the stove, what we're going to do is we're going to take some garlic and take about 2 cloves. So here are my 2 cloves of garlic. So there's actually 2 methods of getting the skin, off from your garlic. The first one is just to smash it with the side of your knife. That makes it super easy to peel your garlic. And the other method is actually to put your garlic in an empty jar and just shake it really fast, but we're not going to use that today. So we're going to peel our garlic, and what you really want to do is peel it in very, very small pieces, right? Here, I can't cut properly because I have a camera in my face, but we'll get there eventually. Thank you, Mr. Cameraman. We're gonna get there. So, what you want to do is basically get the garlic in the smallest pieces possible, because maybe the people who are going to be eating your food are not that big fans of garlic. Once you cut up the garlic, it should look like this. And we're gonna switch back to our eggplant. And we're just gonna give it a little swirl for it to be nice and warm from all of the sides. See, there's a little barrier that is created here. Here, maybe you can see it clearly on the camera. And that's where we wanna, that's the type of surface that you wanna get all over the eggplant. So, while we're waiting for that to cook, now is the time to get started with the tahini. So, tahini is sesame paste. It's really easy to do it at home, but it's also super easy to just get it from the store. What you wanna do is to get a bowl and put the tahini in the bowl. So, for this recipe on this size of eggplant, we're going to be using 2 or 3 teaspoons of tahini. So now that you put your tahini in your bowl, we're going to extract the juice of your lemon. Quick trick: if you want the lemon to produce as much juice as it can, you want to roll it first before cutting it up. And hopefully you'll be using this lemon only for my recipe, so you don't need to wash a knife and have a garlic scented lemon for your next lemon pie. So we're gonna press the juice out. You don't really need a lot of juice, actually. You need like maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons, but I like mine citrusy, so I'm gonna use maybe half a lemon juice and we'll go from there. So now our eggplant over there is making some noise. Let's give it a little bit of attention. So as you can see, there's some stuff dripping out of it. It's normal, it's juice. Basically, because of this technique of cooking, the pressure inside of the eggplant goes up, and that's why the interior, the water from the inside keeps boiling out, and now that there's a hole, the pressure can be relieved. So, back to the tahini. When you actually put your spoon into the tahini, never make sure that it is absolutely dry, because otherwise your tahini will go bad really, really fast. So, now that I'm adding the lemon. Start swirling. So first it will look kind of iffy, but I swear the more you move and the more you get on your clothes, the better it will look. So what you want to get to is a kind of a very pale white texture. Based on the consistency, it's a little bit too thick right now, so I'm going to add the other half of the lemon. Let's get to that, and don't forget to look at your batancın. So why do I call it batancın? Simply because it's the Arabic way of saying it, and for some reason I completely forget how to say eggplant in English. So I keep on calling it batancın because brains are weird. So we took the juice from the second part of the lemon. Let's slowly add it to our tahini. So even if we have a little bit too much tahini at the end of the recipe, we can just use it as a dip with other vegetables. So don't worry, like this is not going to go to waste. Let's pan to the eggplant again. You'll know when it's ready when you touch it from both sides and that it's completely soft. As you see, the batancın is ready. It's all soft. As you can see, when you just touch it with the tongs, it's fine. So it's time to turn off the heat and put it on the plate. And really fast right now, what you want to do is to slice it open, and careful, it's extremely hot. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. So this part we don't need anyway, so we're going to take it out. And this is how the interior of your eggplant looks like. And now, so you let it cool a little bit. You want to get this moisture out of it as much as possible. We're going to transfer the insides into another plate. The insides of the eggplant is off the skin. We can discard the skin. Now what you want to do is to actually slice up the pulp of your eggplant. How you're going to do it is just nice and easy. Just make sure that there's the big pieces get a little bit chopped up. Of course you can use a food processor, but it's just much faster and more efficient this way, and nothing to clean up afterwards. So that's the way I like it basically. And plus it's getting a little bit like chunky and stuff, so it's pretty good. Now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna add the tahini. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. And you just want to add a little bit of salt. You could add some pepper or some paprika or some cumin, but this is the simple and easy method I like to use. You drizzle it with olive oil, mix it up, and you're done. So simple, easy, under 10 minutes. That's the type of food that I want to cook. Thank you for watching this video. Sahtain, and see you next time.
Yummy. It's so creamy.